Welcome back to Spoken English Without Fear. Do you want to speak English fluently but struggle to find time or motivation? The secret is simple: make English a part of your daily life. In today's video, we'll explore easy, practical ways to surround yourself with English without changing your routine too much. Whether you are at home, commuting, working, or relaxing, English can be with you every step of the way. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to turn your everyday life into an English learning environment. Let's get started. Make English part of your everyday life. Simple tips to get started. Learn how to add more English into your day. From changing your phone language to cooking in English, we've got something for everyone. Try these practical tips to make English part of your daily life. Learning a new language can be an exciting adventure. Whether you want to improve your English for work, travel, or further study, developing daily habits can really help. In this article, look at small habits you can fit into your everyday life to develop your English skills. Not sure where to start? Choose from our easy, medium, or hard lists, depending on where you are in your English language journey. Level 1: Easy, simple daily habits. Learning a new language like English might seem like a big challenge, but remember, it's the small steps that lead to big success. Here are some simple daily habits to get you started. Word-building games. One enjoyable way to improve your vocabulary and spelling is to play a word-building game, either on your own or with friends. You can do this for just a few minutes each day. Choose from one of these 7 games to boost your English. Labeling your home. Try going around your house and putting English labels on everyday things like chair, table, or window. Each day, take a walk around your home and read the labels. It's a simple trick, but it's effective. You'll start to remember more English words because you see them every day. Changing your phone language. We all use our phones a lot, so why not change your phone's language to English? It might make it difficult to find things at first, but you will soon get used to it. This is a great way to learn new words related to technology and make English a part of your daily routine. Morning routine. Starting your day with an English language morning routine can be both fun and helpful. You could read a short story in English, talk about your plans for the day, or even read a poem out loud. This simple habit allows you to practice different language skills, from pronunciation and listening to using new words. Reading English news every day. Try reading an English news article from your favorite newspaper or website. It's a productive way to combine language learning with staying informed. Pro tip: make it a habit, just like taking a shower or having breakfast. Add these activities to your everyday routine. Being consistent makes learning easy and natural. In no time, you will see big improvements in your English. Level 2: Medium, practical language integration strategies. Improving your language skills requires challenging yourself with real-world English. To make this journey smoother, try these everyday English language learning strategies that are easy and effective. Reading English books. Reading in English is one of the most enjoyable language learning activities you can build into your daily routine. Choose an English novel or a non-fiction book on a subject that interests you. Try to read a few pages every day. This simple practice not only exposes you to a variety of words and phrases, but also makes language learning fun by immersing you in a new world. Watching English shows. Watching the shows can be an entertaining way to learn English, especially when you combine it with a small challenge. Begin by watching shows with English subtitles. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself to watch shows without them. This will improve your listening and comprehension skills. Plus, it allows you to enjoy different series while working on your English. Writing in a journal. Keeping a daily journal in English is a fantastic way to improve your writing skills. Not only does it allow you to express yourself, but it helps you organize your ideas in English. By writing down your thoughts and experiences, you will gradually get better at making sentences while expanding your vocabulary. Cooking in English. Do you enjoy trying out new recipes? Why not explore English language cooking blogs or channels? Try following recipe instructions in English. This is a fun way to learn everyday food language with delicious results. Pro tip: level up gradually just as you advance in a video game. It's important to slowly raise the difficulty level in your language journey. Challenging yourself helps you stay motivated and makes language learning a fascinating journey. Level 3 Hard Advanced Language Immersion Techniques. To reach the next level in your language skills, it's time to open yourself up to advanced experiences. Take on these immersion challenges to boost your English proficiency. English-only days. Choose specific days when you will speak only in English. This might sound challenging, but it's an excellent way to practice your conversation skills. An immersive language learning approach can boost your confidence and help you become more fluent in English. English-speaking partners. Look for fellow English learners and practice speaking with them regularly. Practicing with English-speaking partners can make a big difference to your language skills. When you talk to others on the same language learning journey, you gain valuable experience, build confidence, and work together to improve your English. Online communities. Join English language forums or online communities and participate in discussions on topics that interest you. Joining in debates and discussions exposes you to different perspectives and challenges you to express yourself in new ways in English. It's a great way to learn from others and strengthen your communication skills. Language exchange meetups. Search for local or online language exchange meetups or conversation clubs in your area. These events usually welcome people of all language levels and provide a friendly, low-pressure environment for practicing English with native speakers or fellow learners. Participating in conversations, games, or discussions at these meetups can lift your language skills and help you make new friends. Pro tip: dive into real life. Think of these advanced language learning techniques as a new adventure. When you immerse yourself in English, you increase your self-confidence and get a deeper understanding of different cultures. By making English a part of your routine, you can access exciting opportunities and grow as a person. Whether it's setting aside 15 minutes each day for language practice or finding English-speaking communities, the benefits are worth the effort. Remember, it's not just about learning English, it's about living it. So start today and watch how English can change your everyday life and open doors you never knew existed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Spoken English Without Fear and share this video or with your friends who want to improve English speaking skills. And remember that you can learn more sessions on this channel, so never forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for reading and listening practice. Thank you.